Okay, so let's get this open. See what's inside. If you guys are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe to it. We're going to be doing more product reviews like this in the future, but we also do travel videos with our camper. And currently during this pandemic, we're just kind of doing some daily vlogs around our house, and we're going to be maybe getting out a little bit more coming up in the next couple of weeks to show you guys around the area. So once again, this is CA112. Okay, we have the 2 cameras and the side markers. They'll basically just go right onto the side of the camper after you take your other side marker light off. And yeah, you just connect the wires. Looks like we have maybe 4 wires. Yeah, it looks like maybe we have 4 wires here. That's basically it. We got an antenna as well to go with it. This is going to be one of the shortest unboxings because there's not a whole lot here. Let's see what else we have. Here's the second camera, the second antenna. Once again, the Haloview cameras, very nice, sturdy built. Looks like really good quality. And we have some, oh, look at that. They even sent crimps with it. That's very nice. So you don't have to go searching for them. And of course we have the, what look like self-tapping stainless steel screws for mounting. Let's see if there's any instructions. No instructions. Oh, wait a minute. They're hidden right here. There we go. Very basic instruction booklet. Oh, it looks like these cameras also have a microphone on them as well. All right, I guess that's about it with this unboxing. Let's get out to the camper and get these installed. Well, we finally made it up to the camper, and it is an absolutely beautiful day today to do this work. Before we get started though, I wanted to let you guys know that we reached out to Haloview because we were so happy with the high definition observation camera that we installed on the back of this camper, and they agreed to send us free of charge these 2 cameras to test out on our camper. So to get started, what I'm going to do is remove this side marker light. We actually chose the one at the very front of the 5th wheel so that it should give us the best view to the back of the camper and the side. Before we get started, I got to take this apart, and I'm going to clean up all of the sealant that's around here so that it'll make for a clean install once we're finished. All right, so the first thing we need to do is pop this lens off. Then we're going to take these 2 screws out and pull the old side marker light off. Not exactly sure how easy this is going to be to take off of here, because it's sealed on there pretty good. See if we can gently pry this thing off. I'm just using a plastic scraper here to get this sealing off of here. This is going to take a while. Okay, so next we're going to cut these wires off. I'm going to strip these down and then I'm going to test them to see which is positive and which is negative. I kind of have a feeling the black is ground, but absolutely want to make certain. Okay, the lights are working, so let's go ahead and crimp this up. Make sure everything's nice and tight in there. Gonna wrap some electrical tape around it. Nose hair up. tighten that down by hand. I'm going to go ahead and put the other 2 screws in as well. Definitely don't want to over tighten these. Okay, the last step is putting this on. Well, there's the finished product. This is a pairing button right here that you have to press once you set the pairing up in the monitor in your truck. And I do have the Trooper with me, not our tow vehicle, but I am hooked up via the 7-pin. And I already paired this before I buttoned everything together, but let's turn it on so you guys can see what it looks like. Here we go. There's the new camera we just installed for the driver's side. And there's our observation camera from the back, or pointing in the back. So I've got to put the other one in. Then I'll be finished, and then I will wrap everything up with you guys and let you know what I think. Mainly with the screws and everything, and the wires were a little bit shorter. But everything on it looks good. I'm going to show you guys in the truck what it looks like. And yeah, we're finished here. And once again, here's the driver's side. And of course, there's our 720 HD backup camera, backup and observation camera that we installed last year. Okay guys, here we go. When you first pair the new cameras with the monitor system, it actually comes up upside down like this. So we have to go into the menu system and reverse it and make sure that it appears that it's on the right side of the truck. And what I might actually do is reverse these so the driver's side is camera 1 and the passenger side is camera 2, so there's continuity there with how my brain thinks. But to do this, all you got to do is select. We're on camera 1 right now. You can see the video of that. I'm going to go into the menu, go to mirror, hit OK, and I'm going to switch it over to this one right here. And you can see we have the proper view. That's the passenger side. You can see the steps down there right now. And I'll hit OK. And then I'll hit menu, menu again, and then select. There's the driver's side camera. Camera 3 we don't have. Camera 4 is our backup camera. And there's all 3 cameras that we have. Once again, I said I want to flip those around. But yeah, the video quality looks very good. I'm very impressed with it. I can't wait to see how it does on the road. Hopefully we'll be able to do that in a couple of weeks, and I'll give you guys a review somewhere down the road. I want to give you guys one last update while we're driving, since it's daylight now. So this gives you an idea what the camera looks like, or the cameras look like. And so far, very impressed with it. No signal drops. A slight decrease perhaps in frame rate with all 3 cameras picked up, but I don't know for certain. But anyway, just very usable. Hey guys, back at the house here. I just wanted to give you some closing thoughts on the CA112 cameras. During the camping trip last weekend, they worked fantastic. We didn't have any issues with them, didn't have any dropouts while we were driving. The resolution was good, the frame rate was good, and yeah, overall, very, very impressed with them. And I want to let you guys know that I'll leave a link in the description below to Haloview where you can purchase these cameras. And also, I'll leave a link in the description below to where you can view our previous review of the MC7108 observation and backup camera that we installed last year on our camper. And you can get an idea of what we did. We did a little bit different kind of installation with that, but check out that link below and you'll see how we did it. Thanks again guys for watching. If you're new to the channel, please be sure to hit the subscribe button. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of new videos when they become available, and please hit that like button. Thanks a lot guys, have a great day.